section A to present our chief guest with a bouquet, a small token of appreciation. Let us all give him a huge round of applause. Huge round of applause. Welcome, sir.
I've been held in your hand from the moment that I wake.
And Karbi Anglong Presbyterian Synod Moderator. Now I would like to call the in-church to represent him a token of love.
You are close like no other.
Invite our chief guest to come on here to come on stage to deliver. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Here today we have Sir Ratis Rongpar to cover our today's event. I request Sir Ratis Rongpar to come here on stage. Rongsupi, Mondoli. Mondoliga sir, he is one of the Mondoliga sir. Thank you so much, Sir Ratis Rongpar, for joining us.
Good morning, everyone. And again, once again, good morning, everyone. Thank you. Respected our principal, STM teachers, parents, and students. It's a true pleasure to welcome you all to our first ever science and arts exhibition here in our PMHS Diphu. Today, I would like to give thanks to Almighty God for giving us an opportunity here and opening the first ever the Science and Arts exhibition here in our mission field, especially in PMHS Diphu. Science and art is not just a subject. It's a way of life, a tool that helps us understand our world, solve challenges. It's what something like pollution and energy crisis and improve our daily life. Once again, I would like to appreciate our brilliant students, their creativity and hard work in these projects and exhibition. I encourage everyone to explore this exhibit with an open mind. If you visit every classroom, ask a question, engage with the creator. This is your platform. This is our platform. Thank you to our delighted teachers for guiding this, our students' mind, and to our parents for their unwavering support. Today, on behalf of the Karbi Anglong Mission Field, and also on behalf of the Presbyterian Mission High School Board, I encourage Lapet, Sethanatu, Lapet, Ken Lapet, Piapo, Puni, Mankachu, Kachatum, Rumatum Apa, Fransi, Nawitum, Apa, Sajola, Pino, Pini Labangso, Ritual Mission Field, Karbi Anglong Mission Field, Lapet, Labangso, School of Empire. Labangso Science and Art Competition ke Akademi Bintang Khorke Palong Hadap Karbi Anglong Alang Mission Mission Account Krelo Tum Desi Sekame Diphu Kemal Lona Lape Epe Port of Han Sekame Ketas Nin Kehang Bangke Laso exhibition Bangke Kelame Muchot Puapanchot Kali Pipine Kelame Kapakla Puapanchot Kali Osama Atum Kethe Kedile Nuna Hucheta Alang Tungian Bidi Kelong Sia Pana Tolile Lasi Tuma Principal Teacher Atum Apan Setame Kachorolang Pilo Athema Osama Atum Lapusan Si Kenkam Kachazo Teacher Atum Kado Kame Pan Setame Kachorolang Pilo Bini Lingarong Partikpen Labangso Exhibition Akam Lapen A Program Kachur Pondom Lona Chorok Partik Lo Kado Kame Pan Pardon.
Now I request the representative representation in charge to come over on stage and to hand over the representation to our chief guest. Thank you so much. Now in this moment we have invited school representative, Redeemer School headmistress. I would like to call her on stage. On stage we have Redeemer School headmistress, Valercia Brahma. Thank you so much. And also the two staff, Rose Diffusa and Tezano Muli, to come on stage. Yes. We thank all the school representatives for accepting our. Okay, now we are going to start our first Arts and Science exhibition. I request all the students. I request all the students to get ready with their projects to get inside the class. Okay, now we have Karbi Secondary School. Let us all have a huge round of applause. Students who showcase their creativity, amazing work, handcraft, scientific understanding through innovative project. Please witness firsthand the hard work and patience of our young minds as they press out event. We are ready to kickstart our event. Please have fun.
March and go.
Oh, hello. Hello. Now we have the Anglong Presbyterian Mission School students and staff all the way from Burjan, Longlit Burjan. We welcome you. Give them a huge round of applause. I would like to call the Anglong Mission School teachers, the two staff to come on stage. Okay, now we. Oh, I've been okay, we. Lapit asamis pena tongelo. Itu forward step, yete. Yet forward step. আপোনাৰ হেতে ইয়াত নাম ফোন নম্বৰ আৰু এড্ৰেছ লিখিব লাগে এইটো সায়েন্স এণ্ড আৰ্টছ এক্সিবিশ্যন হোৱা পিছতে ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ হেতে নাম ফোন নম্বৰ আৰু
红姐知道，红姐知，这些是要让你的货呢，知道吗？
Is it history section?
This is history.
So sir, this is the year 1825 of kindergarten. Every 4 days it's paid for the people, but they work work at kindergarten. They do not get any advantages and any profit. And in the year 1857, so here when the revolt was again worldwide, even Assam joined the revolt. Leaders like Maniram Devan and Modi Borwa sacrificed their life.
Yeah, some was enjoying the revolt of 1857.
Most great leaders like Maniram Devan and Modi Borwa had lost their life. They had sacrificed their life because of it.
During the year 1880 to 1900, we saw Assam's cultural revival. During this period, Assam's literature and culture flourished in Assam. In short, so of Assam origins. In short, a movement of words and identity. Our words is our pride, symbol of self-respect and freedom. Leaders like Ganga Govinda, Chandradhar Barua and Tara Prasad Chaliya in this movement.
It means that the revolt of non-cooperation movement. Yeah.
Next year. Before India was independent in the year 1940, when the India movement was going on nationwide, Assam could join this movement. Leaders like Prakash Narayan and Aruna Asaf Ali. In the year 1947, when India got independence, the we done for Assam and India.
Morning.
First of all, we'd like to thank you for spending your precious time to come and view our project. With a few students of class 10, we're assigned to work on a project based on electricity.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we the students, the group members' names have been clearly written there. I myself am the hlawhtling so far.
Yes.
And this current, and since it's only 12 volt, it's not harmful. As you can see, I can easily touch it, nothing will happen to me. So, there are conductors and insulators. So please, if you will take this, and you place it over here on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yes. As you can see, the light will turn on. And then if you try it on a paper, just an insulator. As you can see, the light will turn on because and if you try graphite at both of the ends. Yes. And try to yes. Yes.
And then what about the water?
Water. If you can try using water, this place, both of them.
Team.
Yes, yes. Water is somehow a conductor. Yes, sir. Water is somehow a conductor. There is series connection, the resistance is less, so the power of A is high. And in parallel connection, in parallel connection, the resistance is less, so the power of A is high. And in series connection, the resistance is more, so the power of A is less. We have made a 3D model of platforms in India. We have used thermocol, papers, and colors. We have used some plastic animals and some dry leaves. Let's start with the mountains. These are the Himalayan region mountains, which lies from Jammu and Kashmir to
You see the Western Ghats, I mean Mumbai and Pune and Gujarat. It is the west coast. There are so many plateaus.
And it's very common in our Assam. If you like everywhere, illegal garbage and some things are thrown by motors with big batteries, and we have made some wiring. And because of this water pollution, we can in water there's many garbage. We can pull up with this machine all the garbages in.
Will come up.
Yes.
Oh.
So we can go into see about our.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good, very interesting.
Myself, Saint Katuran. Myself, today we are here to demonstrate human resource development. Today we are here to demonstrate human resource development through this project. So let us begin with human resource development. First, let us know what is human resource development. As we all know, development means improvement. This is what is human resource. Resource development is educated, trained, specialist, develop. Because even though they are not educated, but they are skilled knowledge of farming.
Nice.
Now let's see where the water is stored. And we can see the delegates. This is the part where the water is stored and that applies the electricity to the farmhouse with our we can see here our street lights grow. And now at this place we can see there are trees.
Beautiful one. Who prepared this? Very good.
First aid box. The first aid box is used to provide immediate care for minor injury. If you have any question, you can ask.
What's for this? Head pain. And this?
Stomach pain.
And this?
This is Bolognese. It is a relief product. It provides fast relief from muscle pain, joint pain, be it a cooling warming sensation. Thank you.
What about this?
Thank you for your question, sir. My name is Christopher. My presentation is about first aid box. This is ointment. Ointment protects and heals skin by delivering medication. Example, we can apply ointment in cuts, burns, and irregular skin. Thank you, sir. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Atlas, and when we are going to explain, Sun is our star. Hi, hello, good morning, sir. My name is Vaishnavi Tiwari and I am reading class 6. This is our social project, Faces of Food. There are 8 faces of food. The first face is new. I can't see it because it's between the earth and the sun. Now we have waxing crescent. Waxing means noise. And that time the moon is smiling. And we can just see the sun part of the moon. Now we have
future world. People abandon this world, causing it to be a brown world. Everyone lives under the ground. People here live in a hexagonal room. There's no physical contact anymore. And people communicate through all these screens. And the machine provides everything people need, so no one has to leave them. And here are the main causes.
The NGR from plastic. Today our project is rainwater harvesting. Water is very important for our daily works and we should try to save water as much as we can. Sometimes some people also face water shortage during summers and they need to walk a long distance to get of water. So we should try to there is a very simple and smart solution to rainwater harvesting. There are many types of rainwater harvesting, but today's our project and the most common one is called rooftop harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is collecting the rainwater and using it later whenever we use it, like washing clothes and housework.
For the juniors, it's difficult because this look.
Just put on the line.
1, 3 support. 1, 2, 3. 5.
Lalu mana yang mata?
Tadi.
Tarik lu.
Okay.
Hemisphere. You know hemisphere. And this is group.
My name is Karbi Anglong Mission Field. Today my project is sport complex. And this is a chicken stadium. Measurement 127 to 150 meters.
What is this? Loudly.
This is a badminton stadium. The length is 50 and the breadth is 28. The total capacity is 10,000. Thank you.
What about this?
It's a football stadium. This is the ground. This is the goalpost. This is the center, and these are the seats where the audience will sit. These are the lights for the night play, and this is the entrance. The total capacity is 80,000, and the length of the ground is 100 meters, and the breadth is 60 meters.
for the country.
Morning, sir. My name is Neih. I read in class 7. So we have your smart city. This is our smart city. Smart city, we have like hotel and restaurant. We have school. We have water tank and like police station, circuit house, mall, hospitals. For current, we have solar panels and everywhere we have greenery, like street lights. We should have in this like smart world. We should have smart. So we have here another project. As we all know that India is a democratic country. Every state is famous for its like cereals and spices. Like Ladakh is famous for its wheat, and that we have Karnataka famous for its cardamom, and Andhra Pradesh famous for its turmeric. As we all know that Assam is famous for tea, Mizoram is famous for chili, and Tripura is famous for ginger. Thank you.
A very good morning to you all. My name is Sakan Chimbe. I read in class 9. Our project is on the parts of the computer. First of all, I would like to explain is motherboard. It is the main circuit board which connect all the parts of the computer. And next is random access memory module. It helps to store the data for only temporary purposes called writable disks. Next is optical disk drive. It reads the information that is stored in the disk or CD. Next is power supply unit. It converts the main alternative. Next is mouse. It is a pointing device. And it helps to perform click actions. Next is monitor screen. It helps to display on the screen data files, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, this is a shortcut.
इसको जला चुके हैं। अभी हम कांच के गिलास से इसको ढक देंगे। ध्यान से देखिए, ये धीरे धीरे करके ये बुझ जा रही है, क्योंकि इसमें हवा नहीं लग रही है। हमारा ये एक्सपेरिमेंट बताता है कि जीव और निर्जीव दोनों के लिए भी हवा बहुत जरूरी है। धन्यवाद। Madam, the master, Madam, his friend, elementary Madam, class 1. Ini dari toko papaikan sama malam ke. Kemudian mereka yang anak sedang solo. Jadi toko yang dalam juga itu, kita mungkin dalam hal. Husband jengko, namun dan nabi itu mereka. Kalau kau sudah lakukan dalam kopi lagi, kita teklong ini jadi kawita. Jendel ke dan cuma tombol long ada foto. Si kita si ini bonit akan dan ancur jadi bonda aja tapi akan bonda kita selalu kadau.
What is this?
What is this? Tell them. Parts of the body. Tell their names also. Tell the names of the body parts. Yes. Ears.
Yes.
Head. Eyes. Nose. Cheek.
And what is this? Then this one?
This is a art number.
And then what is this one?
This is finger painting. Painting.
And that one? 3. Okay, thank you. Well done.
Thank you, come on.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Handshake, 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 handshake.
Service the development group. For example, control plus C is control plus X is control plus B
Accident.
feedback or comment. Bisogna laundry ketika noi participate করবে কিন্তু টিকেট তো আপনাকে ভান্ডে খবর 12 বাজে মানে বাদ
This also made by student and price is 50.
And
These are key holders. These are 50 rupees.
exhibition to खत्म हो गया हो तो
This one
यहाँ पे
is 70.
आपके
This one is 50. This one also 50.
parents, guardians, teachers.
what about this?
Students, if the exhibition tour is done, request them to give a comment section at the doorway of the auditorium hall, where you will give them feedback.
Sunrise and forest cost 100 rupees, and this one is bigger. It also costs 100 rupees. It's also bigger.
Who made this? What about this? Who made? How much is this? They will buy. Okay.
After you finish your exhibition tour,
So what is this?
It's butter cookies.
Tell me about more.
And it's homemade, and we have 15 pieces, and it's more sugar
how
one.
do you finish up your exhibition tour?
Made it by our own hand, so it's very
Is it
easy.
very nice?
You made it for?
Selling.
Okay.
Wait, that's way.
Lottery number 204. Lottery card 204. 204. Mama, अभी देखता हो. Diphu लो अभी के. 204. अभी. The lucky number is 449.